Hey guys, let's get into how I made this look. First, materials. 2 packs of this DIY insulation kit that includes 6 boards, 6 yards of any fabric of your choice, 1 extra large pack of quilt batting, a staple gun and staples, adhesive spray, painter's tape, and any marker will do, finishing nails and a hammer, scissors and a tape measure. And now, the process. For this project, I ended up using a total of 6 panels, and this worked perfectly for my king size bed. However, if you have a smaller or larger bed, I would suggest testing out the amount of panels to see what works for you. So a quick tip here is to cut along the pre-folded lines to save time, and then just trim the extra fabric off. After cutting, you want to have at least 2 extra inches of fabric on each side. Here, I'm cutting the 6 yards in half to make it 3 yards, and then I'm going to divide that up into smaller sections. Since my boards are around 14 inches each, I'm going to pre-measure my fabric to 18 inches wide to give myself about 2 inches of slack on each side. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. When stapling, it's important that you stretch the fabric as you go to prevent any type of wrinkles in the fabric. Here's a close-up of how that looks. You want to stretch and staple as you go. When we get to the edges, it's going to be a little bit similar. First, you're going to fold down the center, and then we're going to go back and staple the corners. Remember to still stretch and staple. And here's a sneak peek of how the panels look so far. When hammering the finishing nails into the panel, make sure not to hammer it all the way in. You want to hammer it just enough to stay into the wall without causing the fabric to bow. If you're like me and have a very active son and husband, I would suggest hammering this in 3 different places, the top, middle, and bottom, to make sure it's extra secure. And here's where I place my 6th panel. And finally, the final reveal. And voila, this is what it looks like.
Yay.
As you can see, my little coworker ended up loving it. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe.